Installing a power bus bar. Align the screw holes on the power bus bar with the corresponding screw holes on the system board and power distribution board, and then lower the power bus bar into place. Fasten the main PDB screw to secure the power bus bar to the power distribution board. Fasten the main system board screw to secure the power bus bar to the system board. Fasten the 6 outer screws to secure the power bus bar. Reconnect the rear OCP cable to the system board. Install the PCIe riser assembly. Install the top cover.